Hello, keyboarding class. Welcome to week 2. In week 1, I was able to see where your current skills stood via the pre-test. In week 2, you will begin your journey using the proper keyboarding techniques to become a skilled typist. There is a mixture of lessons, videos, and animations that will aid you on this journey. Our week 2 objectives are to correctly key the following: the home row, the space bar, the enter key, and the letter I. The E and the N key. The next lesson will be the shift, the left shift, the H, the T, and the period, followed by the right shift key, the letters R, C, and O, and then finally the last lesson, lesson 6, will be the W, the B, and the P key, followed by the comma. You'll then have a lesson to review all of these. Let's take a look inside the classroom. Okay, inside the classroom for week 2, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and I'd like to take a look at the exercises you're going to be doing this week. So the first thing after reading through this week's lesson is you're going to come to a PDF file on hunting and pecking. Please make sure you read this. This is going to be your week 2 discussion. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And the 2 questions you're going to answer, first one, when it comes to keyboarding, what is hunting and pecking? And then the second question that you're going to answer, why should hunting and pecking be avoided in the professional environment? So you want to go ahead and make sure you read that, and also Google hunting and pecking so you get a better perspective. Look forward to reading your discussion board posts. Remember, grammar, correct spelling, and punctuation are essential, and we need to write in complete sentences. To get the 100%, I need to see between 4 and 6 sentences. So please keep that in mind. After the discussion question, you're going to see an external link to actually 10 different assignments. So as I scroll down, you'll see 10 different assignments. I'm going to go ahead and encourage you, when you do the assignments, instead of clicking on it, if you right-click on it, if you open the link in a new window, you'll be able to come back and access the other ones without leaving the classroom. And so, did the right-click. You're going to come to your SAM assignments. And within each assignment, you have a number of different assignments that you can launch. You need to do each of these. And so I encourage you, as you get in here, instead of individually launching, some of these beginning ones are actually very short, I would encourage you to hit Launch All. And so when you hit Launch All, they'll just come in succession for you. Taking a minute to load here. So as you can see, with this first assignment, we have 32 tasks. And the first one that's loading is a video. There's actually 2 short videos. The first video is on posture, and then the second video is going to be on home row animation. So I'm going to jump here to task 3, just to show you how this works. So it just loaded. So here's our first keyboarding task. It's telling me to type ASDF and hit the enter key. I'm able to retry, or I can hit next task. As soon as I hit the next task, the next partial assignment is going to load. When you're done with these, you must hit submit to get credit. So make sure when you're done with all of them that you hit the submit key. Next, I'd like to talk to you about when you are keying in SAM and you come across some error indicators, what those mean. And so the first type we're going to talk about is anything that you miss. If you miss a word, if you miss hitting the tab key, you miss hitting enter, which is our return, a missed space, a missed character, or a missed punctuation. They're going to all be highlighted in blue. So missed word, you're going to see a blue arrow for the tab. This is the symbol for the return key. If you've missed a space, it's going to be highlighted. The space will be highlighted in blue. If you missed a character, you're going to see that character highlighted in blue, and then punctuation highlighted in blue. So anything missed, the key is going to show that in blue. Anything that you've done extra is going to be in red. So if you insert an extra word, if you insert an extra tab key, the red arrow. If you've hit enter an extra time, you're going to see the red return symbol. If you inserted an extra space, also going to be indicated by a highlight in red. And if you inserted an extra character in red. If you've done incorrect capitalization, you're going to see a slash through it. Wrong punctuation. So if you weren't supposed to have a comma there, you're going to see it highlighted in red. And then the last two, if you transpose a word or you transpose a character, you're going to see the red squiggly, or it's called the tilde symbol. And so when you see that, it means to reverse what you've keyed. So instead of can 1, we should have keyed 1 can. Talked about this last week. If you have not, I encourage you to create a free account at typing.com for additional practice. I know some of you have texted me, you've shared that you've done that. Great job. If you haven't, again, just a little bit of encouragement to go ahead and make that free account. Okay, tips for a successful week. Again, do not procrastinate. Log in each day. Practice. Complete all the reading assignments. Watch the videos. Complete your discussion board questions by Thursday. Submit this week's assignments by Sunday. Please, please don't hesitate to contact me. Lastly, happy keyboarding. Have a great week, everyone.